Ever found yourself with a single savings account trying to juggle an emergency fund, a vacation, and a down payment all at once? It's mentally exhausting and, frankly, a recipe for accidentally spending the wrong money. I'm going to show you the best, most automated way to set up your Ally savings bucket so you can set it and forget it and hit your goals faster. My strategy focuses on 3 key automation methods within Ally: direct deposit, recurring transfers, and the built-in boosters. This is the first-person workflow that finally simplified my savings. Phase 1. Set up your buckets. First, let's create the digital envelopes. Log into your Ally High Yield Savings account and go to the Buckets section. You can have up to 30. Create specific buckets, don't just make a savings bucket. Create one for each goal. My current ones are Emergency Fund, Car Down Payment, Vacation 2026, and Annual Expenses. Give them a specific target goal and date if it helps your motivation. Use the unbucketed balance. This is the default holding area. I treat this as my small cash buffer or a temporary overflow bucket, but the goal is to keep it minimal. Phase 2, the core automation, direct deposit split. This is the most powerful and straight-to-the-point automation. Pay yourself first, directly from your paycheck. Talk to your HR/payroll. The absolute best method is to split your direct deposit. I set up my employer to send a fixed dollar amount, say $500, directly to my Ally savings account on payday. The rest of my check goes into my Ally spending, checking, account for bills. Set up bucket distribution. When that direct deposit hits your savings account, you need it to automatically sort itself. In your Ally account settings, under the How Money Comes In section, you can set a percentage-based rule for new deposits. I set a rule like emergency fund $/ to $50%, car down payment $/ to $30%, vacation 2026 $/ to $20%. Now, every automated deposit is instantly sorted with zero effort from me. Phase 3, maximize savings with boosters. Ally has excellent automated tools, or boosters, that catch the small change and put it to work. These are essential for rounding out your savings strategy. Recurring transfers for specific goals. If you have an odd pay schedule or want to pull money from an outside bank, use the recurring transfers booster. This lets you schedule a fixed amount, say $25, to move every Monday. The key here is you can tell the transfer to go directly to a specific bucket, like your Vacation 2026 fund, bypassing the percentage rule. This is perfect for funding small, specific goals. Surprise savings. I recommend activating the Surprise Savings Booster. It securely links to your checking account, even outside Ally, and analyzes your spending patterns. When it determines you have a safe-to-save amount, it automatically transfers it to your Ally savings account, usually in small increments like $5 to $25. I direct all of my surprise savings transfers to my emergency fund. It's free money boosting my most important goal. Round UPS. If you use the spending account, if you use the Ally spending, checking, account debit card, turn on roundups. It rounds your purchases up to the nearest dollar and transfers the difference to your savings once it hits $5. I direct this booster to my smallest, most attainable goal first, like the annual expenses bucket, because seeing it fill up is a huge motivator. Phase 4, best practice for withdrawals. Automation is great, but life happens. To keep your long-term goals safe, use the withdrawal priority setting. Set withdrawal order. Go to the How Money Goes Out settings. You can drag and drop your buckets to set the order in which funds are pulled if you make a transfer out of the account. Protect your core goals. I always place my long-term goals, like emergency fund and car down payment, at the very bottom of the priority list. My most accessible bucket, like annual expenses, is at the top. This ensures I deplete my shorter-term, flexible savings before touching the money I truly need to protect. This combination of direct deposit sorting and targeted boosters is the single best method to automate your savings with Ally buckets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.